Tired of your emails looking bland and unprofessional? Let's spice things up by customizing your email signature in Kvcore. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketplace option, which is usually found in the left-hand menu. Click on it. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page where you can edit your personal information and, most importantly, your email signature. Scroll down the page until you find the signature section. This is where you can create and customize your email signature. You'll see a text editor box. In this text editor, you can type in your desired signature, include your name, title, brokerage, phone number, website, and any other information you want to share. Feel free to use the formatting tools above the text box to style your signature, like making text bold or adding links. If you have an image of your headshot or brokerage logo, you can upload it by clicking the image icon. Once you're satisfied with your email signature, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. And that's it. Your new email signature will now automatically be added to all your outgoing emails from Kvcore, ensuring consistent branding and easy access to your contact information for all your recipients.